go to buy the vignettes, the little road tax sticker. It's about 10 euros for 10 days, and without it, if you're driving, you get caught on highways without it, it's a big fine. So it's just too easy, and it's part of the pilgrimage. You stop here in southern Germany, buy it, stick it on with everyone else, all the cars, the cool cars start rolling, and you start getting excited that we're getting closer.
We just arrived at Worthersee. We were all parked up and ready to go. About to get settled in the apartments here and start our Worthersee adventure.